Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to use Slide Tool. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. We're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro right now, and I'm still using all panels. Alright, click on that if you want that. Click on Window, Workspace, then all panels. Right, so here I already have a sequence on our timeline named Nature Montage. Alright, we have here the hair and the shoes and the river. All right, so in this example we're going to perform the slide tool. All right, so how do you access the slide tool? All you have to do is to go to your toolbar here. All right, the slide tool is right here. Right now, maybe it's on the slip tool at the moment, so to get the slide tool, all you have to do is to hold down your mouse right here. All right, and then look for slide tool. All right, hold down your mouse. All right, and then slide tool. Alright, now there's a shortcut for slip tool. The shortcut is Y. Now the shortcut for slide tool is U. Alright, Y and U for slide tool. Alright, so let's choose. Now this is the icon of our slide tool. Alright, so if we're gonna do this, alright, as you can see, this is the icon of our slide tool. Alright, the slide tool changes. Alright, as you can see, there's two vertical line on the one arrow and the arrow, meaning we're going to change the in point and the out point of our clip. All right, it's totally doing the opposites of slip tool. All right, as you can see. All right, I'm gonna show you. All right, slip tool. What is a slip tool? Just a quick refresher. Let's try to go to slip tool. If I move this, all right, slip tool, all right, as you can see at the top, all right, so the frame, or as you can see in the left corner, the woman, the girl, the hair is not gonna move, right? It's not moving, all right, because that is the last frame of our first clip. All right, this one. All right, this is our first clip. That's the last frame of that girl. So even though we change this, those in point and out is not changing, right? Those last frames not changing for the first clip. Now this one, all right, so let me do the selection tool. As you can see, this frame, all right, is a first frame of our third clip. All right, now this one, all right, this woman right here is the last frame of our first clip. All right, slip tool is not gonna change those frames here. All right, it's not gonna change it. All right, so if I do this, all right, it's not changing those frames. All right, the first clip and the second clip is not affected. All right, that's how you do the slip tool. Now what is the slide tool does is the exact opposite. All right, it's gonna change those, in point, and it's changing those. As you can see, the woman changes widen, right? It's widen, and this one was shortened. All right, unlike with the slip tool, it's not changing, but this slide tool is doing the exact opposite. It's changing the first clip and the third clip. All right, so that's how you do the slide tool. All right, and as you notice on the program monitor, as you can see, the in point and the out point of the current video that we're dragging, the in point and the out point of that video is not changing. All right, what we're changing is the clips, between of those the clips on the side, the first clip and the third clip. All right, as you notice. All right, I'm changing this first clip. All right, and I'm also changing the third clip, the river. All right, and right now while I'm dragging is I'm not changing the in point and the out point of this current video that I'm using this foot. I'm not changing any in point and out of those. All right, so that's how you use the slide tool. All right, so well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.